Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. I am back again with my topic of Snipe IT. Uh, you guys will be familiar what is Snipe IT, and open source asset management tool. We can install it on the Linux CentOS, on the Ubuntu, and we can install Snipe IT step by step, or we can install it on the Docker using some simple commands. So move towards the installation. Today I am going to show you how you can install Snipe IT on the Linux CentOS 8.5 with the help of Docker with some simple commands. We are not going to follow any lengthy or difficult procedure like step by step. We will run some commands and the Snipe IT will be installed. So initially I have accessed my Snipe IT server using the putty software, and I am going to install Snipe IT on the CentOS 8.5. These are some commands I am going to run. First of all, I am going to check that my server is up to date. Yes, it is up to date, nothing to do, it is complete. So I am going to run this command, and it has downloaded the yum-utils package and installed it. Next we are going to run this command. By this command we have added a repo from this URL. Now we are going to run this command to install Docker and the container as well. We will initially run to this error because some dependencies were missing and we have to install these dependencies. To avoid these errors, I am going to run this command, and it will remove some packages which will free up 91 MB, and it will remove 16 packages. After this successful removal of package, our installation will be completed in a smooth way. Okay, all done. Now the yum-util already has been installed, and I am going to add the repo again just as a preventive action. And now I am going to install Docker. It will install 14 packages. Total download size will be 103 MB. The installed size will be 390 MB. The download process has been completed. Now it is installing all these packages which it just downloaded, the 14 packages. You can see the name and their version and the size available here. Okay, all these steps done successfully. Now we are going to start the service of Docker. It has been started successfully without any error, and we have also checked the status. Now we are going to do what for the Docker compose. I am going to run this command. It has been completed successfully, and now I am going to install the git git, which is a part of our installation. I have installed git to get this file clone from GitHub. It has cloned the files and receiving objects 100% and resolving deltas 100% all have been done. Now I am going to change the directory. I have moved to the server docker and Snipe IT. Over here I am going to copy this env template file to .env, and if you want to change anything in this configuration file, you have to open this file and make changes according to your requirement. Currently I am not going to change anything or implement or configure anything, and we are going to give some permissions to this directory. And for the docker start error, if the error occur, we are going to run this command for the docker compose. Because of this command, this permission, the docker will not up. So I have already assigned the permissions, and it will start the docker without any error. It is going to download packages and make the things ready. Okay guys, if you see network snipe IT default created, container snipe IT web 1 started, database started, scheduler cron, all the things have been set up and started. Now I am going to access using my server IP. Here you go, the snipe ITP flight setup is available. We are going to use this button next, create database tables. There was nothing to migrate. Your database tables were already set up, nothing to migrate. I am going to click on this create new user. We are going to name Snipe IT, default currency, and the email domain. The fields marked with orange line will be the mandatory fields. You have to fill these, otherwise your user will not be created and it will pop up with the error. Now we have to save the user button, and here you go. You have successfully installed the Snipe IT on the Linux CentOS 8.5 with the help of Docker, and you have to run simple these bunch of commands. There is no need of installation. Step by step you can easily install the Snipe IT with the help of Docker in no time. Hope you guys understood these guidelines. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Please support me and my channel. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.